Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner when a bird, bird, bird. When a bird is a winner when a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. When the bird is a winner when a bird.
Oh, hi. The birds? Well, it's about birds. And I'm a bird.
Hello, I'm Iris, and I'm a goddess. My father is Zeus, so I'm very powerful and important. And you should come and see the birds and me.
Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. My name's Pithetaris. I am the founder of Cloud Cuckoo Land. You've probably heard of it. This play, The Birds, it's a story about my wit, my cunning, my bravery.
Your ego.
Hey man, shut up. So, you should probably come out and watch it. November 21st, 22nd, and 23rd.
Hi, I'm Mr. Tucker. Come see the birds at Edgewood High School on November 21st, 22nd, and 23rd at 7 o'clock. Or else.